Jerry. Jerry! Jerry!
How did you get in my house?
You left your front door open.
Alright. What do you need?
I've got some really great news. I need your help.
This better be the best news I've heard ever.
Betty the bird asked me to do a dance for her tomorrow.
You're lying.
I'm not lying, that's the thing. I need your help though, because apparently there's this other guy, something mountain goat, that like she's been talking to.
Mountain goat?
You mean like the Brady mountain goat that lives right next door?
Well, I mean, maybe. Do you know anything about him?
I mean, what does she even see in him?
I don't know, but
If Betty the bird chooses Brady mountain goat over you, Marty, then that would be terrible. That's not good. Yeah, I'll help you.
would you really do that for me?
Yeah, I mean, Betty the bird is really good looking. I hate for you to have that in possession and fumble, you know? That'd be really bad looking on your part. But could you at least help me with the bird dance? So you're a bird and you can't even do a bird dance? No, I can't do a bird dance. I suck at them. I mean, how bad could yours be? Just show me real quick. Okay, fine. You asked for it. Come on. Okay, just stop. See? It's terrible. Okay, so you can't bird dance. All right, we got that out the way. But I'll help you get those steps down. I'll help you do the best bird dance that you could ever possibly do. We'll get that fixed. There's no way Betty the bird would like that at all. Okay? Just follow me. Well, don't just stand there. Come on. If you're gonna try and win this bird over, you're gonna have to go through an extensive training regimen. Why is your speaker in the refrigerator? Don't worry about it, okay? You gotta hold down on it so it turns on. There you go. Let's do it. God damn, Marty. You've done a whole lot, but I think you're ready. Hey, if you say so, let's get this girl. You think she's gonna be here anytime soon? We've been waiting for a while now. Hey man, don't sweat it. I'm sure she'll be here anytime soon. Oh, I saw her right there. Go, now's your shot. You gotta go. Oh man. All right.
Marty, I thought your bird dance was so sexy. But I'd rather have Brady Mountain Goat headbutt me all night long.
What? You'd rather go out with that schmuck? No. You brought me all the way out here for no reason? Are you serious?